I want to show you how to promote affiliate links, but more specifically, how to promote multiple affiliate links to create a passive income stream of multiple affiliate products. Now, most people promote affiliate products the wrong way. I want to show you in this video the correct way to promote multiple affiliate products in a way that not only makes you more money as the affiliate, but actually helps the customer get to where they want to be. And I'm going to give you guys a deep inside look of a lot of my income streams, and I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know in this video on how to promote multiple affiliate links using the affiliate stacking ecosystem. Now, real quick guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Guys, I used to work a 9-to-5 job that I absolutely hated. I started this business in May of 2019, and within 9 months of starting, I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job. So if you want to learn exactly how I was able to do that, but more importantly, how you can replicate this exact same process, make sure to follow me on YouTube, subscribe down below, like this video, comment, and let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, so I think it's really important to understand how I'm promoting multiple products. That way you guys can understand how you can replicate this process as well. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can copy and paste my exact business model at the end of this video, but I need you guys to understand how this works first. Now, I do want to show you guys just a little bit of proof that I am promoting multiple products. Now, this right here is Bluehost. It's essentially a hosting platform. As you can see, about $4,000 so far. I'm just going to show you guys a few of these, that way I don't bore you, but here's another one right here, guys. TubeBuddy. And what I want you guys to understand is all these affiliate products are starting to go up exponentially, okay? And this is going to be like your business. It's going to start out really, really slow. And then eventually it's going to start going up higher and higher. That's the nature of this business. That's how affiliate marketing typically works, especially if you're following my methods. Now, I want to show you a few more, guys. This is Get Response right here. As you can see, I just got my biggest payout ever for $1,700. As you can see, before that it was $900, then $913, $850, $700. So guys, again, this goes up over time, okay? I just want to show you a few more, guys, just so you know that this is working with multiple products, okay? This is ClickFunnels right here, about $54,000, $100 to about $300 a day with this product here. This is a product on copywriting, as you can see here, $328. This is a newer product that I've been promoting. This is ShareASale, guys. This is, you know, I promote products on, you know, like taxes, how to use taxes for your affiliate products, stuff like that. So you can see $100, $125, $125. So you can see a few payments coming from here. This is Kartra. You can see in the last 30 days here, we've done about $7,000 with this product. And just a few more, guys. This is learn.com. You can see about $16,000 in about a couple weeks here. And then the last one here, this is Affiliate Acts, about $150 here. Now guys, what I need you guys to understand is how I'm promoting these affiliate products, okay? What most people do is they go and promote all of these different products, right? They go and find like 20, 30 different products and they blast their links everywhere, okay? Now it may seem like I am doing that, but the way I'm doing it is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem. And this is what I want to teach you in this video. This is the game changer for me and how I've taught over 16,000 students start affiliate marketing as well, okay? So before I show you guys, I need you guys to understand why are we using the affiliate stacking ecosystem when you can go and, you know, promote affiliate links like 95% of other affiliate marketers, okay? Well, what I want you guys to understand is I wanted to quit my 9-to-5 job, so I wanted to build a long-term sustainable business, okay? That's why I went ahead and created the affiliate stacking ecosystem, because what it essentially does is it helps the customer get to their ultimate goal, all right? Now let me just show you guys what I mean by that, okay? So this is the affiliate stacking ecosystem right here. Now, I'm going to break this down for you guys, that way it makes sense. And then of course, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys something that you guys can literally copy and paste so you guys can use the affiliate stacking ecosystem for yourself, okay? Now, let's just say this is your main core offer, okay? It all starts with this main core offer. Really important that you guys understand this, okay? Essentially what this means is this is going to be the offer that gets your customer the ultimate result, okay? So if you're in the keto niche, what is the ultimate result for your customer? Well, maybe it's you know, they want to lose weight, they want to be able to get to a certain weight using the keto diet. Okay, that's their ultimate result. Okay, so if that's their ultimate result, you have to find an offer, a main core offer that's going to get them that result. Let's just say we go with this keto example, okay? The core result here that your customer is looking for, right, is they want to lose 50 pounds, right? Let's just say 50 pounds. That's the core result, okay? We're not even talking about the course, the offer, whatever it is. We're just talking about the result they want. We're not talking about which course it is, okay? We just have to find something that is going to help somebody, right? Now, if we take my example in my business, right? My core result is getting you guys to quit your 9-to-5 job. That's what I'm trying to do for you guys, okay? You know, if we have example number 1 and example number 2, right? So quit your 9-to-5. I'm gonna give you guys 2 examples, okay? So these are the kind of things you got to think about, okay? And this works for any niche, it doesn't matter, okay? But you got to think about the core result, all right? Now, once you figure out the core result, we got to figure out a program or an affiliate offer that's going to get that person that core result, right? So, you know, if you're looking for a keto program that's going to help someone lose 50 pounds, you might go on clickbank.com, you might go on JVZoo, or you might just search, right, on Google, best keto affiliate programs, right? And find the best course on how to lose 50 pounds with keto, right? Whatever that is, okay? So that's the first thing you need to do, okay? Or, you know, if you're trying to help someone quit their 9-to-5, you want to find a program that's going to help someone do that, right? Obviously, my program, Freedom Breakthrough, or the 3-Day Challenge, helps people quit their 9-to-5 job. So, and that's why a lot of people promote Freedom Breakthrough or the 3-Day Challenge, okay? But that being said, you got to find that core product that your business is going to be built around, okay? So you really need to understand this before you start going into all the affiliate offers, okay? So same thing if you were, you know, let's just give you one more example here. Let's do a physical product, okay? Let's just say your main core product is maybe a nice TV, okay? So let's just say a game room, okay? Let's just say that's the core result, right? You want this cool game room. So the main offer might be a 100-inch LED TV, right? OLED, okay? So that's another example, okay? But you guys got to understand, okay? You have the core result, then you have the product to go with that result, okay? That's going to help them get to where they want to be, okay? Now we got to understand the supporting offer, okay? So now we found our core offer. Now we got to find a supporting offer to go with it, okay? So if we go back to the keto example, someone wants to lose 50 pounds. Well, they might need some tools to get them there, right? So let's just think of what you might need. Well, there might be a weight loss app, right? So weight loss app. This is number 1. Okay, so that's a product they might need to go along with their keto course or something like that. Okay, so you got to think of what the customer is going to need. All right, now we're able to help your customer on this journey, right? They're on this journey to get this core result, right? Whether they want to lose 50 pounds, they want to quit their 9-to-5 job, or as simple as I just want to have a nice game room. Okay, so let's go with the second example of quit your 9-to-5 job, right? Well, you're going to need some tools to help you build a business so you can quit your 9-to-5 job, right? So that's why I promote ClickFunnels, right? So that's a tool you need, okay? Same thing with the game room, right? What's an example for the game room? Well, if the main core offer is a TV, what do they need to go along with that? Well, maybe they need a cool Bose speaker, right? So something like a Bose speaker system, okay? So you want to start thinking about this in how you can help your customer along the way. This is where it becomes really powerful because the affiliate stacking ecosystem is not just promoting random products, okay? We're promoting products that make sense to the customer, but more importantly, that they get to this core result, okay? So that's what we want to think about. So, and then we go to offer number 2, which is just another option to help them get to that core result, right? So maybe they need a meal prep service, right? Maybe they need a certain supplement, okay? So you got to start thinking about what's going to help the customer lose that 50 pounds, okay? Number 2, right? What's the second supporting offer for quitting your 9-to-5 job? Well, they're going to need an email autoresponder, right? They're going to need something to help them build their email list. So that's what I mean by the affiliate stacking ecosystem. We're not just promoting random offers, right? I mean, there's people that do that and it works, but I want you guys to build a long-term sustainable business. And that's why I teach the affiliate stacking ecosystem, okay? That's why I show you guys that you need to build an email list. With that email list, you build trust and you build that brand using the affiliate stacking ecosystem. But you, as the affiliate, you make a lot more money because you're promoting multiple products. But at the same time, we have the core result in mind, okay? And that's the main thing you guys have to understand, is that core result, okay? We're not just selling an affiliate product, we're selling a core result. People don't buy products, they buy the result that they want, okay? And that being said, if you totally understand how this works, then you could promote multiple products like ClickFunnels and GetResponse and TubeBuddy and Bluehost, right? And all these other products. I have over 30, I think maybe even 40 products at this point, okay? And because I found multiple ways for people to get that core result, right? Some people need certain products that some people might not. So, you know, then I find other products. So that's how I'm able to kind of promote multiple products. So guys, in a nutshell, the affiliate stacking ecosystem is how I'm helping students leave their 9-to-5 job and achieve financial and time freedom, okay? Not only does this help them get the result that they want, but it also teaches them on how they can do the same thing as well, right? How you guys can build an affiliate business that's long-term, sustainable, but the most important thing is actually helping people. We want to be able to help people. If you guys can understand that concept of helping people first, then the money will come, okay? A lot of affiliates start out by saying, hey, I just need to make money. I need to make my first $10,000. It will come, guys. It will come, but you need to understand that you're in this business to help someone out, okay? And that's the main thing that you need to understand when you're trying to build out this affiliate marketing business. Now guys, as I promised, you guys can copy and paste this whole affiliate stacking ecosystem to get you guys started, even if you're a brand new person getting into this marketplace, okay? Now, so I created this book called The 7 Steps to Becoming a Super Affiliate, the Leave Your Soul Sucking 9-to-5 Blueprint, okay guys? So basically inside this book, I help people understand how affiliate marketing works, and I give them 7 steps on how they can leave their 9-to-5 job, okay? Now, for you guys, if you're just starting out, I want to help you guys get started and start promoting affiliate products. So within this book right here, I have a ton of affiliate products inside of this book itself, okay? So right here, and as you go down, there's multiple affiliate products, okay? So you can see right there's an affiliate product, and you know, we have throughout this whole book, all these steps, there's multiple affiliate products to basically do what I just taught you, right? This affiliate stacking ecosystem. But in this book, I literally let you copy it. I let you put your affiliate links in, and I let you get all the affiliate sales that come from it. Now, why the heck would I do that? Why would I literally give you guys my book so you guys can promote it on your own? I need you guys to get started, right? So when I first started, it took me months to create my own books, my own courses. And, you know, most people just don't have the time. You're working a 9-to-5 job and you're busy, right? I understand that. So I want you guys to get started, understand the concept, but at the same time, I also want to teach you the skills, okay? So in my 3-day challenge, guys, I show you guys exactly the skills you need on how to promote the affiliate stacking ecosystem, how you can use this in your own business and in your own life. But with that, I also give you guys the books, the funnels, everything you need to get started literally today. So if you guys want to join the 3-day challenge, which I'll leave a link down below, it's going to give you access to my ebook that you guys can literally copy and paste and use this as your own. But more importantly, it's going to show you the skills and the process you need to be able to quit your 9-to-5 job. Now guys, I hope this video was of value on how I promote multiple affiliate products and how I'm able to use the affiliate stacking ecosystem to build my business and how you can do this as well. We'll see you guys on the next video. God bless. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one.